welcome back to another vlog. We are here in my office, per usual. Seltzer water, per usual. I'm getting ready to package up a bunch of wholesale orders, not wholesale, pre-sale orders. So that's what we're gonna do first, and then I'm going to go pick up an online order I placed, which is these really cute bottle brush trees, which are really similar to the ones that I have in my office right now. I'm really excited for them, but they're like my color scheme. So we're gonna go pick those up, go to the post office. It is 12:50. So I'm hoping to get the majority of the pre-sale orders out. We'll see how it goes. So let's pack up some orders. Everything is packaged up in the little bags. So now shipping is hopefully going to go much more smoothly. I can just grab things and put them into the mailers. I don't have every single piece made yet, but I have a lot of them made. So I'm hoping to be able to get a very large majority of the pre-orders out today. If you can't tell, I'm trying to be as efficient as possible. So I just pulled out this box and I put them in type of bracelet order so that I have everything and I can just grab it as I go. I just finished filming my comparison of these two hair wavers. These are the most popular ones that I've seen, so I wanted to compare them both and do a side by side. Anyway, that video is probably already up before this one, so I'm interested to know if you guys can tell if you didn't watch the video, but I will link it up in the cards in case you're interested in seeing which hair waver I liked more. Yeah. So just finished that. I got a ton of orders out today. I am getting ready to edit the video. I don't remember if I told you guys or if I just shared it on Instagram stories. I feel like I'm sharing so much right now because it's Vlogmas. I'm filming regular videos. I'm trying to keep up with my Instagram stories, all of that. And then obviously just like talking to people in real life. So I can't remember if I told you guys earlier or not that I filmed doing my makeup today because Adam's going to do my voiceover, which I'm so excited for because he is not into the makeup scene obviously, and it'll be really funny to hear him do my voiceover. So I want to edit that video so that he has time to do the voiceover for it and I can get it up hopefully by this weekend. I just finished up my work day. It's about 6 o'clock, and if you guys saw my last vlog, I shared those Amazon mittens that were a total fail that had this slit in them that would just let air in. And I finally got the other ones. I told you guys I had ordered other ones, but I finally got them in the mail and I'm so excited about them. I think they are so cute and they are super, super cozy. They're the softest thing ever. It's like a teddy bear for your hands. And they're 50% off right now. They come in this brown color. They also come in cream. I'm actually thinking about ordering the cream as well. I think these won't get dirty as easily, but those ones will probably go with more. So hopefully they're still on sale. I'll link them below, but I wanted to give you an update that I absolutely love them and highly, highly recommend.
You're choking me.
Sorry. All right, are you gonna talk?
She did it. She wouldn't admit it. She won't celebrate it, but she did it. She got 30,000 viewers, followers, subscribers, YouTube subscribers. That's
Today.
her goal. Her goal was by the end of the year. She did it 17 days early.
Yeah.
And she's still reluctant to celebrate.
Look what he brought me, you guys. Rose gold, because he knows it's my fave. And a bottle of celebratory champagne.
It's called the bubbly.
The cutest little boyfriend in all the land.
I'm little?
No. So yeah, that was today. We're gonna go and look at Christmas lights on, ow, pinching my ribs. What's that street called?
Lakeshore Drive in Grosse Pointe.
Yeah.
It's where all of the mansions are.
So apparently they have really good Christmas lights. So we're gonna go drive around and look at Christmas lights and then maybe go to dinner.
Yeah. Celebrate like you're supposed to.
Yeah. So we'll take you guys around and see what kind of, hopefully they're good. Neither of us have ever been over there, so we don't know what to expect, but hopefully the display is amazing. Ow! What are you doing? What were you doing? What were you doing?
You're going for like Cousin It here, covering your whole face.
I wasn't covering my whole, I had my hair behind my ear.
Clark Griswold would be proud.
You think? Yeah, this is pretty good. It's a red light, but we're not gonna be able to stop.
We'll just go really slow.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Whoa, babe. Is that a tour bus that we're behind? Holy cow, this is an insane amount of lights. It is Saturday. We never updated you guys after we went to the driving down that Lakeshore Drive road yesterday to look at the Christmas lights, and honestly it was kind of a dud. There was only really one house that was really decked out, and then the other houses, I don't know, just didn't have that many lights on them, so it was kind of a bummer. But today I spent the day at my parents' house and we baked Christmas cookies, which I vlogged the entire thing. It'll go in a separate vlog. It was kind of a failure. It's the first time we've ever just given up and forgotten about our sugar cookies, because we do them every single year, and we just took on a design that was a little too much this year, so we ended up just pitching it, and I think we're gonna do something else maybe next week. But I did want to do a little unboxing. I've gotten a couple packages yesterday and today, so I'm gonna show you guys what I've gotten. I have opened, I think, one of these, and I know what one of them is, but we're gonna do that. And I just got this eucalyptus garland in. I grabbed it on Amazon and it just got delivered a few minutes ago. So I want to put this by our TV and put some twinkle lights in it. So we'll do that after we unbox. First up is this. It is from Grande Cosmetics. I've never gotten any packages from them. This is the Grande Lash Boost. It is the lash serum and then a mascara, and then this is the, I said that really weird. And then this is the Grande Brow, and this is the brow fill. I don't know, I'll try them out. I've only tried a couple of things from Grande, so we'll see how those are. And then I did get a new package from Alter Ego. Oh, this is, it says that it's their newest palette, the Aurora. It's in multiple pieces of bubble wrap. And a little bubble envelope. I guess it's not gonna be broken. So this is the outside packaging. Maybe I'll do like a 5 first impressions or something, because I have a couple of items that I haven't used before that I want to try out. So if this is pretty, if it's not, then never mind. Oh, this actually looks very holiday-y. It has some really pretty shimmers that would be gorgeous on the lids. Yeah, let me know if you want me to do like a glam holiday look, or should I do a 5 first impressions? Let me know. Next is from Urban Decay, which I do know what this is, and I'm really excited about it. Oh, I wonder, I don't know when this is launching, but I do know that I was not allowed to share that it was launching when I got the email about it, so I am going to need to look. But they are coming out. They're expanding their Naked line. So they have the foundation and the concealer right now, but they just launched the Fix, which is a powder foundation, and then also the Threesome, which is a bronzer blush highlight. I'm actually really excited to test these out because they looked gorgeous. Oh, damn. Oh, I think this is shattered. It's chipped, which is a total bummer. So I'm going to need to clean that up. Let's see if the powder is. Okay, no, the powder is good to go. This is what it looks like. I think I might just do a full video on these two because I do have the foundation and concealer, which I've tested out, and I did a review on those as well. So maybe I'll just do a full Urban Decay base video. Next up is this. It is the Sephora Favorites. It is the skincare favorites. And it's from Sephora inside JCPenney. This is what it looks like. It's all these mini versions of different items, which they have the Laneige water sleeping mask, which I love this. And then they also have the ginseng eye cream, which I really like that as well. So I will be able to try out a couple of other things that I haven't tried before. So that is awesome. And then my last package is from First Form, which is the green powder I tried in, I think it was my last vlog. They sent over another package. So this has the same, these are Harmony supplements. They're supposed to be hormone balancers. And then these are the same green powders. And then this is another powder, but I think this is, instead of your greens, it's your reds. It's just different superfoods. This is multivitamin packets. And then they sent me 2 packages of protein bars. So these ones are peanut butter lover, that is me. And then chocolate mint cookie, which could be good or could be disgusting. So we're gonna give all of these a try. I will let you guys know what I think of everything as I try it out, see results, all the things. I'm trying to create a mood for you guys. So we've got our tree, our stockings, our fire on the TV, and this is where I'm thinking I'm going to put the eucalyptus. And then I have these twinkle lights. Are these wire or no?
It's not gonna be anything in a minute.
Rude. I don't think these are wire. No. So it's just gonna lay like that. That's...
The ones you pulled up aren't laying down.
That looks stupid, huh? That's not the garland I was hoping it would look like.
Why not garland?
I don't know. All right, well, we're not gonna do the eucalyptus right here with the lights because it just wasn't working out. So I might put it in my office on my acrylic calendar, but I think we might get a different garland for here and put lights in it. We will see. But that is everything for this another random vlog. I will link everything down below that I've mentioned throughout the vlog. I'm sure there's lots of things. I don't even know what we did in this one anymore. And I will see you guys tomorrow.